My dear students, today I am going to discuss class 9 maths, rational number and polynomials. Now in this chapter, there are some very special type of numerical problems, and these problems are frequently given in exam. Now some of you have exam in the coming week or next. I hope this discussion will be useful. Okay, now let us get down to work. Now this question, if x equal to 1 upon 2 minus root 3, so you have to find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So this is given and you have to find the value of this. This equal to what? That is the question. Alright. Yes, how will you do this type of sum? Now this given thing is x equal to 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So you rationalize the denominator. Now how will you rationalize the denominator? Yesterday I discussed this topic. So you multiply numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3, isn't it? Because this is 2 minus root 3. So you multiply by 2 plus root 3. Okay, now that becomes equal to, so numerator will be 2 plus root 3, and denominator, if you use a square minus b square formula, it will be 4 minus 3, that means 1. So denominator 1 and numerator 2 plus root 3. So x we got, after rationalizing the denominator, we got x equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay. So we got x equal to 2 plus root 3. Therefore, x minus 2. So note the method. Bring this to left side. X minus 2 equal to root 3. Okay. Now you see, we have to find the value of this, and there are no surd here, no irrational number. But we have this root 3 is irrational, so we must remove it. Now how will you remove it? By squaring both sides. So if you square both sides, left hand side will be x minus 2 whole square equal to, this side will be root 3 whole square. Now root 3 whole square will be 3, so the surd will go, irrational number will be removed, because this doesn't have any irrational number. Okay, so that is equal to a minus b whole square formula, a square minus twice ab, that is 4x plus 4, that is equal to, this square is 3. Okay, now make right side 0, bring everything to left side. That is the method. Note the method. So 4x plus 4 minus 3 is what? Plus 1. So equal to 0. So we get x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So in this type of sum, always you have to get something whose value is 0. Okay. Now let us see the given expression. Now given expression is, now what is a given expression? Whose value we have to find out, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Okay. Now we have to follow a method which is called adjustment method. Adjustment method. Now what we do, see, we got the value, we got this expression whose value is 0. Now we will try to express this in terms of this expression whose value is 0. Then things will become 0. So finally we will get a very simple answer. So now our aim is to express this given polynomial in terms of this. So we write this thing, x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay. Now we must multiply here by x so that we can get x cube, because this expression is equal to what we are going to write. So they must tally, they must be equal. So we must write here x, because then x into x square will be x cube. Okay. Now x into minus 4x is what? Minus 4x square. But this is minus 2x square. So we must write here plus 2x square. Why plus 2x square? Because x into minus 4x is minus 4x square, that minus 4x square plus 2x square will be minus 2x square. Okay, so this is adjusting. Now x into plus 1 is plus x. Now this is minus 8x. Now plus x, and what will give you minus 7x? Plus 8x. Minus 8x. Minus 8x. See, x into plus 1 plus x. Now plus x into minus 8x will be minus 7x. So see, we are adjusting. This is why it is called adjustment method. Now this plus 5 as it is. Okay. Now note this step very carefully. So x into x square, x cube, x into minus 4x square. Then minus 4x square plus 2x square together will be minus 2x square. Then x into plus 1 is plus x. That plus x is plus x, and minus 8x together will be minus 7x. Okay. So we have adjusted plus 5 as it is. Now x into, now see, we have got this expression whose value is 0. So we can put x into 0. So finally this term will go away because it is 0. Plus, yes, now concentrate on this part. Again, this part will try to express in terms of x square minus 4x plus 1 whose value is 0. Okay. Now if you write this expression here, so what you must write? You must write 2 here. Okay, because plus 2 into x square will be plus 2x square. So we are adjusting. So plus 2 into x square plus 2x square. Now plus into minus 8x. Minus 8x, yes, it's coming correctly, minus 8x. Then plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Plus 2 plus 1 is what? Plus 2 into plus 1 plus 2. Plus 2. Now this is plus 5. So we must write here plus 3. Yes, see again, 2 plus 2 into x square plus 2x square. So correct. Plus 2 into minus 4x. So plus into minus minus 2 into 4, 4x, 8x. Okay. Then plus 2 into plus 1. So plus 2. Now plus 2, and what will make plus 5? Plus 3. Okay. So now this step is equal to this step. Now see, this x into 0, 0 plus. Now this part is 0, you see. So 2 into 0, then plus 3. So finally what you get? 0 plus 0 plus 3. That means 3, and this is the answer. I follow? So answer is 3. Bit clear? Okay, now let us see another. So try to note the method carefully. Now this given, this is number 2, x given, if x equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. X equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So you have to find the value of 4x cube plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to what? So 4x cube plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to what? Find the value of this. This is given. Okay. Now again we simplify this given condition, x equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now we cross multiply. Now here we don't have to rationalize denominator because the denominator is always rational. In the previous sum we had to rationalize the denominator because denominator is irrational. Okay. Now simply you cross multiply. So what you get? 2x equal to root 3 plus 1. Now right hand side you keep this third irrational number, and 2x minus 1 left side. Okay. Now again you see this expression whose value we have to find out does not contain any surd. Yes, SURD, Surtman irrational number, does not contain any surd, SURD. That means irrational number. So we must remove this surd. Okay. So what we do? We square both sides, squaring both sides. So we square both sides. Now a minus b whole square formula, a square, that is 4x square minus twice ab, so 4x plus b square, that is 1. Okay, equal to, now this square is 3. So you see surd is gone, irrational number is gone. Then 4x square minus 4x, now make right side 0 like before. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 will be minus 2, isn't it? Now yes, now if we divide by 2, the number will be simplified. So let us do here. Now this thing we divide by 2. Why we divide by 2? Because 2 is a common factor. Dividing whole equation by 2. So what we get? 4x square by 2, that means 2x square, then minus 2x minus 1. 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So like before, you see we got an expression equal to 0. In the previous sum, what we had got? This equal to 0, you see. So we have to get something which is 0. So we got now 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now we'll try to express the given polynomial. We'll try to express the given polynomial in terms of this, whose value is 0. Now what is a given polynomial? Let us see. 4x cubed plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7. This is the given polynomial, 4x cubed plus 2x square. Okay. Now equal to, again, adjustment. So this expression equal to 0. So we'll try to express this in terms of this. So 2x square minus 2x minus 1. Now what must you write here to get 4x cubed? So we must write here 2x is 2x, isn't it? We must write 2x, because then 2x into 2x square will be 4x cubed. Now as soon as you write 2x, so 2x into minus 2x becomes minus 4x square. Minus 4x square, but this is 2x square. So we must write 6x square. Why 6x square? Because minus 4x square plus 6x square will give you 2x plus 2x square. Okay. So this is adjustment method. Now 2x into minus 1, what you get? Minus 2x. But this is minus 8x, so you must write minus 6x. So 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. That minus 2x and minus 6x will make it minus 8x. Then plus 7 as it is. So this step must be equal to this. Okay. Now 2x into, now you see this expression equal to 0. So 2x into 0. That means this part will be removed. Plus, again, now remaining thing we have to express in terms of, again, 2x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Now what must you write here? We must write 3 here, because plus 3 into 2x square will be plus 6x square. Then if you write plus 3, then plus 3 into minus 2x will be minus 6x. Yes, this minus 6x. So 3 into 2x square, this we got. Now 3 into minus 2x, this. Then plus 3 into minus 1, what do you get? Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3, and what will make you plus 7? Minus 3 plus 10 will make plus 7. So 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Now minus 3 plus 10 is equal to plus 7. So you must write here plus 10. Okay. So now this is doing this 0 plus, now this is 0. So 3 into 0, 0 plus 10. So this 10 is the answer. So you see answer is 10. Is it clear? So you see adjustment method. Okay, now let us see another. Now these sums that we are discussing, that I am discussing, frequently given in exam. So take note. Now there may be other sums of this type. So learn the method of doing. Hey fellow, do not learn individual sums. Learn method, then you can do any sum given from any book. Now this type of sum is not in your textbook, but it comes in exam. Okay. Yes, now let us see the third one. Third one is this, x is given. So if x equal to, this is slightly difficult. X is given 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Now square root of whole thing. Then you have to find the value of, now you have to prove, this sum is not find the value but prove. What you have to prove? X square, x minus 10 whole square equal to 1. So you have to prove this left hand side equal to right hand side 1. X square, x minus 10 whole square equal to 1. But first of all, let us simplify x. So x is given this one. Okay. Now this is irrational. Therefore we must rationalize it. So how will you rationalize it? This is 5 minus 2 root 6. So you have to multiply by 5 plus 2 root 6, isn't it? So a minus b, a plus b. So numerator is what? 5 plus 2 root 6. Now multiply by 5 plus 2 root 6. So it will become 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator by what? 5 plus 2 root 6. So that we can use the formula a minus b into a plus b. That is how you have to rationalize. Now numerator 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 plus 2 root 6. So it will be whole square. Now this is equal to, yes, so this whole square and root will go. Therefore numerator will be only 5 plus 2 root 6. So numerator will be only 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. And denominator will be a plus b, a minus b formula. It will be 25 minus 24. So a square, 5 square is 25 minus 2 root 6 square is 24. Okay, that means only 1. So x is equal to what? 5 plus 2 root 6, because this part is 1, isn't it? Therefore x equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now x minus 5 equal to 2 root 6. Again, this is irrational. So we have to whole square, squaring both sides. We must remove this third or irrational number. So what we do now, we whole square. We square both sides. Okay. So if we square both sides, this a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 10x plus 25, and this side 2 square 4, 4 into 6 what? 24. This side is 24. So what you get? X square minus 10x, 25 minus 24 plus 1 equal to 0. So you see, like the previous questions, we have to get some expression whose value is 0. So what expression we got? X square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to express the given polynomial of the left hand side in terms of this. Now we have to prove. Now when you have to prove, don't you do left hand side, right hand side? So let us do that. Now this we have to prove. So left hand side equal to x square, and this is a minus b whole square formula. We have to expand. So left hand side is x square into this. So let us expand this, a minus b whole square. Okay, expand this one, a minus b whole square. So a square minus 20x plus 100. So a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, this is left hand side. So what do we get? X square. Now open the bracket, x square x4 minus 20x cube and plus 100 x square. Okay. Now as the previous sums, the method, we have to express this given expression, given polynomial, in terms of what? In terms of this x square minus 10x plus 1 whose value is 0. So write that expression, x square minus 10x plus 1. Okay. Now we must write here x square. So we must adjust, because x square and x square will become x4. So if you write x square here, x square into x square x4. So this is okay. Now x square minus 10x, what do you get? Minus 10x cube. But this is minus 20x cube. So you must write here minus 10x cube. Then x square minus 10x is minus 10x cube. Then minus 10x cube and minus 10x cube will be minus 20x cube. See, we are adjusting. Now x square plus 1 only plus x square. But this is 100x square. So we must write 99x square. Isn't it? X square plus 1 is, x square into plus 1 is x square. Now x square plus 99x square is 100x square. So this step becomes equal to this. So that is adjustment done. Now this equal to x square. Now this value you see, this value is 0. So x square into 0, this part will become 0. Now this thing again we have to express in terms of what? This, in terms of x square minus 10x plus 1. Okay. Yes. Now what must you write here? We must write here minus 10. We must write minus 10x. We must write minus 10x. Why minus 10x? Minus 10x into x square will be minus 10x cube. So we must write minus 10x. Minus 10x into x square minus 10x cube. Then minus 10x minus 10x minus 10x. Minus 10x into minus 10x. What do you get? plus 100x square, plus 100x square, but this is plus 99x square, therefore we should write minus x square. You see, plus 10x, minus 10x into x square minus 10x cube, minus 10x into minus 10x minus 100x square, minus plus 100x square, that plus 100x square minus x square is plus 99x square. So now this step becomes equal to this. Okay. Now last one is left, you see. So minus 10x into this minus 10x minus 100x square, 100x square minus x square, this one, then minus 10x plus 1. So minus 10x plus 1, what do you get? Minus 10x. Minus 10x, we must write plus 10x, because minus 10x plus 10x will become 0, because there is no x term here. There is no x term, that means plus 0. Now how will you get plus 0? Minus 10x into plus 1 minus 10x, so you must write plus 10x, so that minus 10x plus 10x together become 0. Okay. So now this 0 minus, now you see this again 0, this part is 0, so minus 10x into 0, 0, 0, isn't it? Now what is left? Minus x square plus 10x is left. Okay. Now, yes, now again, say let us express this given thing, this I mean what we got in terms of that expression, x square minus 10x plus 1. Okay. Now again, what must you write here? Minus 1 to get minus x square. So minus 1 into x square, minus 1 into x square minus x square. Okay. Then minus 1 into minus 10x plus 10x. Then minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Is it clear? So minus 1 into x square minus x square, minus 1 into minus 10x, minus plus 10x, then minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Now this minus 1 into this part 0, 0, then minus 1. Now this becomes 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1. Oh sorry, this is not minus 1, I'm sorry, this is plus 1. Why plus 1? You see, let me see, tell you from here. Minus 1 into x square minus x square, minus 1 into minus 10x minus plus 10x, then minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1, we must write plus 1 here, because then minus 1 plus 1 must cancel to get 0, because there is nothing here. Nothing here means 0, isn't it? So how to get this nothing or 0? Writing plus 1, because then only minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1, that minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So this is minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So minus 1 into 0, this one, then finally you get 1, and isn't it right hand side? So you see, we had to prove what? We had to prove this equal to 1. So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. So left hand side we did, and simplifying what we got, 1, which is right hand side. So proved. Okay. Now I showed you 3 sums like this. As I told you, these sums are not in your textbook, this type, but they come in exam. You followed? Therefore, I hope you have understood. So practice these ones. So I'll be happy if you can do it by yourself. Okay then, thank you and good night.